Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the partnership. We discuss about the partnership. What is partnership? What is partnership? Partnership is an association of two or more person. Two or more person. Then partnership is an association of two or more person who invest money or capital to start a business and operate the business. Then partnership is an association of two or more person who invest money to operate the business. Then it is an association of two or more person. Take an example to explain the terms. So first case, one person start a business and invest money to operate. Suppose one person think about to start a business. And invest money to operate. Then here this person सोचला कि वो एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करेगा और उस बिजनेस में जो भी कुछ मनी इन्वेस्ट करना है तो उसे ही करना पड़ेगा. In this case, such person called owner because he start business. He is the only of person who start a business and invest some money. But due to some reasons, he cannot be able to start such business. Then what is the reason? First reason is money. Second reason is large scale business. First of all, such person think about to start a business, but due to shortage of money or due to proper management of a large scale of business, it is difficult to one person to operate and manage a large scale industry or a large scale business. So he required some other persons in their business. And the second reason is most reason is money. When a person think about to start a business, so first of all he require some money to invest, but he has no money to invest in the business. So it is the case of shortage of money. Due to two cases, shortage of money and large scale of business, he require some other persons. एक person जब difficulty, two types of difficulty, money and a large scale of a business. In this time, he required some other persons. So the person add his two or more friends in business. So it is the case of a partnership when more than one person enter into a business, and all are invest money to operate the business. All are invest the money to operate the business. Such case is called as a partnership. Then पार्टनरशिप एक ऐसा टर्म है जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं और बहुत सारे लोग कंबाइन होकर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं टू ऑपरेट द बिजनेस. One person ownership is called individual ownership. Second case, more than one person ownership is called partnership. Then next, the person involved in partnership. Is called a partner. Suppose एक पर्सन एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने का सोच रखा था, लेकिन मनी शॉर्टेज और लार्ज स्केल बिजनेस होने के नाते वो इसे संभाल नहीं पाया. तो इसमें such person called some their friends to add in business and to operate the business. In such case, it is a matter of a partnership. And the person who are involved in partnership is called partner. Person involved in partnership is called a partner. Then overall, partnership is a combination of two or more person to operate a business. When a business suppose in a business involved, there are two or more person like Ram and his friend Hari and his friend Gopal. In this partnership business, three partners, Ram, Hari, Gopal. There are three different persons. So there are due to three different persons have different opinion. Due to different opinion, there are some dispute arises in their partnership business. So before the starting of a partnership, all are the agree to prepare a written document. Prepare written document. In this document, all the rule and regulation of a business rule and a regulation of a business written and sold. Due to different opinion and to avoid any types of a dispute in future, all partners agreed to prepare a written document in which all rule and regulation of a business also written as per the opinion of all partner is called partnership deed. It is called partnership deed. It's called partnership deed. Next, partnership. There are two types of partnership. One is simple, next is compound. Next is पार्टनरशिप दो तरीके के होते हैं. वन इज सिंपल पार्टनरशिप, दूसरा इज कंपाउंड पार्टनरशिप. देन व्हाट इज सिंपल पार्टनरशिप एंड व्हाट इज कंपाउंड partnership? Now in simple partnership, capital of all partner invest for same time. But in compound interest, invest in different time. Suppose there are three friends, Ram, Gopal and Hari, think about to start a business. So Ram, Hari and Gopal think about to start a business. So at a time all are invest money at the same time. All are investor money. Then in such case it's called a simple partnership. But in compound partnership, suppose A start a business. After some month B join. Then in this case it is called as a compound partnership. Simple partnership, all partners invested money at the same time and joined at the same time. But in compound partnership, a partner will be start a business and after sometimes another partner come and after sometimes another partner come. Then in this case it is called as a compound partnership and in this case it is called as simple partnership. In simple partnership, profit share as per the investment ratio. But in compound partnership, first convert the capital at a time. As for 1 month. Simple partnership, when all partners invest their money at the same time. Compound partnership, when all partners are not invest at the same time, have different time. We explain two terms through an example. Through the problems, we explain the term simple partnership and compound partnership, in which case simple partnership and in which case compound partnership. And in this example, we know about how to share profit among the partners. So, in this question, three partners, A, B and C, there are three partners, A, B and C, start a business and invest 15,000, 18,000, 20,000 respectively, and at the end of year profit 16,500. Then find it the share of profit of each partner. First of all, we know the age capital 15,000, B's capital 18,000, C's capital 20,000. In this question, all our partners invest money at a same time, so it is the case of simple partnership. In simple partnership, first of all, we find out the ratio of investment. Then A's investment is 15,000, B's investment 18,000, and C's investment 20,000. The investment ratio A equal B equal to C. Then 15,000, 18,000, 20,000. Then the ratio is 15, 18, 20. 15, 18, 20. First of all, we know about the capital of all partners. A's capital 15,000, B's capital 18,000, and C's capital 20,000. After all, we find out the investment ratio. A B C जो पार्टनर है उसका फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इन्वेस्टमेंट रेशियो निकालेंगे, उसके बाद हम प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो निकालेंगे. देन हियर इज इन्वेस्टमेंट रेशियो इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. Then first of all, we find out the investment ratio. Then it is the investment ratio 15 equal to 18 equal to 20. Next, find out sum of ratio. 15 plus 18 plus 20. 15 plus 18 plus 20 equal to 22,000. My mistake, written as 20,000. It is 22,000. 22,000. Then the sum of the ratio 55. Sum of the ratio 55. Next, we find out the share of each partner out of the profit. Here is total profit. is equal to 16,500. Then how to find out the share of each partner? First, A's share is equal to 15 divided by 55 into 16,500. 15 by 55 is 16,500. Then equal to 4,500. Then B's share 18 by 55 into 500 is equal to 5,400. And C's share 22 by 55 into 16,500 is equal to 6,000. Then in this question, have three partners A, B, and C, and their investment. A's investment is 15,000, B's investment 18,000, and C's investment 22,000. It is the case of a simple partnership. So we find out the investment ratio of partners, and the investment ratio is 15 15, 18 and 22. 22. Next, we find the sum of the ratio. Find the sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is equal to 55. And next, we find out the each share of each partner. Then A share 4,500, and B share 5,400, and C share 6,000. In this way, we find out the share of each partner. Find out the share of each partner in case of simple partnership. In case of a simple partnership. Next, we explain another example how to find out the share of each partner in case of a compound partnership. In case of a compound partnership. The next example is A start a business with a capital 4 lakh. After 3 months, B joins with capital of 6 lakh, and at the end of another 3 months, C joins with rupees 10 lakh. And in this case, total profit is 5 lakh for 40,000, and find the share of each partner. Find the share of each partner. First of all, it is a fluctuated case. It is a fluctuated case. That is means now all partners are not invest money at the same time. Not at the same time. Have time fluctuation. So it is the case of compound partnership. It is the case of partnership. First of all, A is a partner. A is a partner who started business with 4 lakh. Then A's capital for 1 year is 4 lakh. 4 lakh. In this compound partnership, we calculate the capital of each partner for 1 month. For 1 month. Then A's capital for 1 month equal to 4 lakh into 12 lakh, 48 lakh. Okay. Then we know about the A's capital. Next, we go to the B's capital. Then first of all, we know about at which time B join in business. At which time? B joins with a capital 6 lakh after 3 months. After 3 months. A start a business, and after the starting of a business, after the 3 months of starting business, B join. So B's capital invest for 9 months. B's capital invest for 9 months. B's capital for 9 months is rupees 6 lakh. Rupees 6 lakh. Next, we calculate the capital for 1 month. B's capital for 1 month into 9. Into 9 because B's capital invested for 9 months. So we multiply 9 into 6 lakh. 9 into 6 lakh. 54 lakh. Okay. Next, we know about the C's capital. C's capital. C joins after the 3 months of B. After the 3 months of B. B join after the starting of business 3 months. So C join in business after 6 months. After 6 months. A to B 3 months and B to C 3 months. So it's a C's capital for 6 months equal to 10 lakh. Okay. C's capital for 6 months. And C's capital for 1 month is equal to 10 lakh into 6. 7 lakh. Okay. We know about the capital of all partner at a same time, that in 1 month, through this capital amount, we find out the ratio of capital. We find out the ratio of capital. The next step, calculation of ratio of capital. Ratio of capital. Ratio of capital. Ratio of capital equal to 48 lakh, 54 lakh, 60 lakh. Next is 48 equal 54 equal to 60 equal to 60. 8, 9, 10. It is the ratio of a capital. 8 equal to 9 equal to 10. The ratio is 8 is to 9 is to 10. 8 is to 9 is to 10. It is the ratio of effective capital. It is the ratio of effective capital. Through the help of this ratio, we find out the share of each partner. We find out the share of each partner. Next, we find out the sum of the ratio. Find out the sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio. Sum of the 8 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 27. 20. So it is the sum of the ratio. Here is total profit 54 lakh. Sorry, 5 lakh 40,000. 5 lakh 40,000. Then we calculate the share of each partner. Then how to calculate? First, age share. Yes, sir. We calculate the share of A through this ratio, through this help of the ratio. In this case, the age ratio is 8. So 8 divided by 27. 8 divided by 27. 27 is the sum of the ratio into total profit. Okay, total profit. Then the amount is 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Next is B's share. B's ratio is 9. 9 by 27 into 5,40,000 is equal to 5,40,000 is equal to 1,08,000. 1,08,000. And next is C's share. C's share 10 divided by 27 into 5,40,000 into 5,40,000. And the amount is 2 lakh. Amount is 2 lakh. Through this way, we find out the share of each partner. We find out the share of each partner. It is the case of a compound partnership. It is the case of a compound partnership. First of all, in case of compound partnership, first of all, we find out the effective capital. Effective capital that for 1 month of each partner, and next we find out the ratio of effective capital. Ratio of effective capital. And the next step is find out the sum of the ratio, and the next step is find out the share of each partner. Share of each partner. Then overall partnership is a group of a person. Group of a person that invest some money invest some money to operate business. To operate business, partnership there are two types. One is simple, one is compound. Then overall, this is a class of about the partnership. Okay, thank you.